Big news has arrived from Honda. After a long wait, they have finally officially launched their latest iconic motorcycle, the 2026 Honda CB500 SF Super 4, at the prestigious CIMA motor event in Chongqing, China. This motorcycle features a neo-retro four-cylinder design directly inspired by two Honda legends, the CB500 SF and CB1300 SF. The result is a motorcycle that blends classic elegance with sophisticated modern technology, ensuring an elegant yet powerful appearance. Honda has equipped the CB500 SF with a new 500cc OHC inline four-cylinder engine, liquid-cooled, with an estimated power output of 50 to 60 horsepower and 40 to 45 newton-meters of torque. This performance allows the motorcycle to reach a top speed of 180 to 200 kilometers per hour, with a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration time of just 4 to 5 seconds. One of the most exciting features is the e-clutch, or electronic clutch. This technology allows riders to shift gears without pulling the clutch lever, making the riding experience much easier, both in urban areas and on long-distance touring. Combined with the assist and slipper clutch, motorcycle control feels even smoother and more comfortable. Honda also offers a variety of modern features such as HSTC, Honda Selectable Torque Control, with 3 modes, a 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth road sync connectivity for GPS and music, and a choice of sport, standard, and rain riding modes to suit road conditions. To enhance handling and safety, the CB500 SF is equipped with Showa upside-down front suspension and adjustable ProLink rear suspension, Nissan dual disc brakes with dual-channel ABS, and Pirelli radial tires 110/70-17 at the front and 150/60-17 at the rear. Design-wise, this motorcycle has an iconic appearance, with a round LED headlight, dual chrome exhaust, a diamond-shaped steel frame, and a compact body featuring an open-top four-cylinder engine. Its seat height is only around 790 millimeters and it weighs under 200 kilograms, making it very suitable for daily use and in urban areas. The color choices are also attractive, ranging from matte black, pearl white, to Super 4 red, which pays homage to Honda's legendary motorcycle heritage. The 2026 Honda CB500 SF Super 4 truly stands as a true successor to the legendary CB400 SF and is one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year.